Which one of the following xy points is not on the line? So remember that a point xy is on the line if it satisfies the equation. So the point is on a line if it satisfies the equation. Well, which equation? In this case, the equation is for at least one t, for a value of t. So it means that we have to put one by one these questions to these points in xy and see if that is that satisfies the equation or not. One easier way to do this would be you first find the parametric equation for this line. So parametric equation will be x plus 1, x equals 1 plus t, and y equals to 0 plus t, just t. So now, if we are checking the points, so for example, A, 3, 2. This says that, you see, if y in this case is equal to 2, that means t is equal to 2. If I use that t and plug in the first one, so x would be 1 plus 2, which is 3. So as you see, the first and second components for t equal to 2 works nicely. So this is a point on that line. For the second one, 0, -1. So here, y is -1, but we know that y is t. So t is -1. Use t -1 and then check the other one. So 1 minus 1, it is 0, and that is x, and this case that is correct. So this is, oh, this was B. And B is also on the line. How about 1, 0? Well, right away, y is equal to 0, so that means that t is equal to 0. And from that, you get x is 1 plus 0, which is 1, and that is correct, yes. C also is on the line. How about D, which is 5 and 5? Well, y is equal to 5. That means t is equal to 5. X equals to 1 plus t, which is 5. Oh, that should be 6, not 5. So that means that 5, 5 does not satisfy the equation, so this is the point not on the line. Well, C also, you can check y is equal to 4. That means t is 4. That means that x is 1 plus 4, which is 5, and that is correct. So when you go with the parametric equations, you have to do this kind of work. Use one of the components to find the value of the t, plug in the other equation, see if that gives you the same value. There is also another way to do this. This would be using the standard form, using the standard form, and this, you know, that only in R2 is possible, R2. So in this specific case, well, you can work out and find out what is the standard form here. This will be x equals 1 plus y. Actually, it will be x minus y equals to 1. And then, well, if you have the standard form, that's another way of checking. So plug in the values of x to x and y to y, see if the equality satisfies. So maybe I do quickly here. For example, for A, you have 0 minus -1, it is equal to 1, satisfied. For C, so that was for B. For A, it is 3 minus 1 is minus, 3 minus 2. X minus y is equal to 1, so it satisfies. 1 minus 0 is 1, satisfied. 5 minus 5 is 0, not satisfied. And 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, satisfied. So again, the point that is not on the line is 5. Any question, any comments here?
Does it matter which component we like plug in to find the answer? Like,
doesn't matter. No, you can plug in the first one, find t, and then use it for the second one. The reason I used the second one here was that the equation was easy. Basically, the second component is the t.
okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Any other question? Okay, then we will move to question 11 here.